How to fix Photoshop not enough memory error on Windows 10. 1. Set the value to 100% of RAM for memory usage under the Edit Preferences Performance menu. Note, if you met other two error MSGS, an integer between 96 and 8 is required. Closest value inserted. Could not complete the save as command because there is not enough memory, RAM. Update your Photoshop, to at least version v19.1.5. 2. Free up enough RAM via Task Manager. 3. Increase more RAM to your PC case. 4. For Photoshop CC 2015 users, go to computer/hkey_current_user/software/Adobe/Photoshop/90.0 in registry editor, create a override physical memory MBD word, 32-bit, value, then modify it as, value, 2400, hexadecimal value, on. 5. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall your Photoshop.